Attention all Sarasota drivers, there's some upcoming changes to the Sarasota parking program, and I'm going to tell you how it impacts you. Stay tuned. Hi, Kathy Palmer with Michael Saunders and Company, and let's talk about the upcoming changes to the parking here in Sarasota starting July 15th of 2024. So for the downtown garages here, the Palm Avenue garage that's behind me here, also the State Street garage, is going to have complimentary 1-hour parking, and the EV chargers will be $1. The same applies for the St. Armands Circle garage out there, but the parking on Ben Franklin Drive, that premium parking right there along the beach, is going to be $1 an hour, and the Lido Pavilion parking lot is going to remain complimentary. So how are we going to pay for these? You can still use the ParkMobile app, but the payment machines that are on the locations are only going to be accepting credit cards. There's another change to the Centennial Boat Ramp parking, and that's going to be $5 for a full day for a vehicle and $10 for the entire day for a vehicle plus a trailer. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions, please feel free to contact me.